Mastering Idioms. Pass the plate. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase, pass the plate. This idiom might sound simple, but it carries interesting cultural and social nuances that are crucial for English learners. So, let's get started and unravel the mysteries of this expression. Pass the plate is an idiom that originally comes from the custom of passing a plate for donations or contributions, usually in religious or community gatherings. This phrase has two primary interpretations. 1. Literal meaning. In a direct sense, it refers to passing a physical plate around to collect money or food. This is often seen in churches, social events, or family gatherings. 2. Figurative usage. More broadly, it symbolizes the act of sharing resources or asking for contributions. This could be in terms of money, help, or support in various situations. Understanding both these aspects is crucial for grasping the essence of the phrase. Let's explore how pass the plate is used in everyday conversation. In social contexts, at the charity event, they pass the plate to raise funds for the homeless shelter. Here, it's used literally. Metaphorical use. Whenever there's a community crisis, our neighborhood knows how to pass the plate and help each other out. In this sentence, it's used metaphorically to describe offering help. Recognizing the context in which the phrase is used is key to understanding its intended meaning. This idiom also reflects a part of English-speaking cultures, especially those with strong community or religious bonds. It signifies a sense of community spirit and collective responsibility. Understanding such idioms also offers insight into the values and social practices of English-speaking societies. That's all about pass the plate. We hope this video has shed light on not just the phrase but also the cultural context behind it. Remember, idioms are a window into the soul of a language and its speakers. Stay curious, and keep exploring the fascinating world of English expressions. See you in the next video.